In today's video session, we will discuss about very basic interview questions of SCCM. What is management point and what is distribution point? So let us discuss and understand. So this is a very basic hierarchy of SCCM shown in this picture, where a primary site is connected to management points and management points are connected to the clients, that is SCCM clients. Here we need to understand that SCCM is a very powerful tool developed by Microsoft, which is used to deploy hardware, software, and applications across the networks in any organization. So the main function of the management point is to provide policy and content location information to the SCCM clients and to receive configuration data from them. In the next picture, we can see there is a SCCM site server in which software update point, management point, and distribution point. These are site system roles which are installed in a site server. So these are connected to the configuration manager client. Next comes the distribution point, which is a site system role on a SCCM site server and is used to store the packages, updates, that is software updates, applications, programs, and operating system images, and is used to distribute these on the SCCM clients later on. So you can see in the diagram here we have the different distribution points and the package files, and clients are also connected to that. Thank you for learning through this video. For more such technical videos, do subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Till then, goodbye, take care.